Hi everyone, welcome back to For Real. Today we've got part 2 of our Explore Bokor series of 2 videos. If you want to go back and look at the first one, I'll leave a link to that in the description so that you can check it out. In the first video we looked at Bokor Palace and a few other places, and in this one we're going to look at the old church and we'll also go and visit the waterfall. I'll also add in some pictures so that you can see how the church has changed since we were there last, and I hope you enjoy.
Okay, with the old church. This is a must see when you come up here. The weather is just changing so quickly up here.
Yeah, I think the time without rain is limited.
Clouding over.
Yeah.
But breaks of sun. I don't remember the path being so good last time. Well, there's the church in all its glory. Oh, it's going to be very dark, I think. Very dark and wet. Oh, yeah, very wet. Nice mold. Hello. Echo. Amazing. Claire. Little statues and stuff. It's not actually a proper running church, obviously. Hopefully. Pretty amazing. Jesus. What's happening in here? It's Christmas time. Everybody likes Christmas. Let them know it's Christmas time. Feed the world. Bit icky. The view out this window is spectacular. Well, not really that spectacular, but it's a view. Oh, what's that? Thumbnail. Thumbnail. You get it all to yourself. Oh, to fix the roof, some water in. What's that here? A Barbie? Don't know. Oh, people. People. I have a mask on now. It's a full-on family. He's got his Beijing bikini on. Claire's gone. She's scarpered. Oh, there she is.
Jeremy's inside the church. I've just noticed a little stone path going over here, so I'll have a little looky look, as Todd would say. Oh, she's steep. A person could go arse over here quite easily, especially if that person is me. Have a go at that. So you can go further to the top of this hill, but I've decided that this will be far enough for me. A whole stack of people to stand up. Crazy. Look at that. Family. There's a guy down there sporting his Beijing bikini. Getting some of the cool mountain air to his midriff. Jeremy's probably giving them quite a big surprise in there right now. They wouldn't have expected a big bearded foreigner to be lurking inside the church. There you go. Alright, Head back down there. Okay, so we just finished up at the church, having a bit of a poke around, and I noticed that there are some facilities, which is good because I'm in need of them. Let's have a look. I'll share the experience with you. So the first one doesn't have a door. You can see it's a stainless steel squatting situation. Fairly tidy. Let's have a look at the second one that has the door option. Right. Also has some internal greenery. Let's get in there and have a bit of a closer look. Oh yes. Quite a lot of greenery, it would seem. Back in a minute. Just driving on from the church, we're about to come upon a Chinese temple on the left-hand side, and just beyond that is the Tan Ser Sokar Hotel. Next to that is the casino. Both of those are Chinese developments, and you'll be able to tell the casino because it's a big building with no windows at all.
So we're here at the waterfall, just paid for our ticket, the big 50 cents, lovely lady. Oh, we got some mats for the huts out the front. It's party central up here. Big building. Oh, the water looks beautiful.
Yeah, looks good.
Down there. Might grab a coffee. The free bottle of water. How do you get down there? Down here, I think. Oh, there's a lovely...
That's nice.
Yeah, lots of water.
This is your kind of waterfall.
Yeah, I love these waterfalls. The water kind of looks like a lot of leaves and stuff in it. Makes that colour.
Hello.
Hello, hello. I think this kid just called me fat. I'm sure one kid called me Ned Kelly. The voices in my head are playing up.
They're very specific.
I know.
Got butterflies here.
Watch the stairs. Let's go and look at this waterfall. Oh. 3 loud. There we go. Whoa, loud waterfall. There. There. We're going further. There's a drop off there. Coming from under there as well. Very pretty. So you can go in there and have something to eat if you want. A few clouds coming over and we might head back down to old Kampot town. Hope you enjoyed that. It was a nice little trip up. As always, links down below. Stay safe and we'll see you next one. Bye.